2021 Toyota Sienna. The backrest of the 2021 Sienna got stuck. It does not move even if I pull the lever. It's not moving front and back and forth. It's just the backrest area. This area got stuck and it's not moving. The main lever moves. But that doesn't help because the top still stays where it is and it's not moving at all, even though I'm pulling the lever. It's not moving, whether from back or front. First thing we do to fix the stuck backrest, we have to remove the back cover, which is by removing 1, 2, and 3 screws, and this back cover will come out. That's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, I removed the first one from the screw, and they all have the same screw. 1, 2, and 3. So we remove these screws, and then this back cover will come out. All 3 screws from the hangers, with the hangers, they are removed. Now we will take this back cover out by hand. There are clips, so you just put, and we'll start from the top left corner here. There are clips behind this, so we'll just remove not this part, but just the cover. You see there are clips here, and they come out, and we'll just put them back in once we're done. Now that the cover is out, the back cover is out, and we'll start from this top left corner. The switch is right behind this lever, which has the problem. That's why it doesn't work. So we will remove this cover, just this corner area, not the whole thing, just the corner area we will remove. You'll see that there are plastic screws that they come out by just gently pulling them out. Do not break them, and we will just use them back when we're putting it back in. Just this corner, so we're going to remove this leatherette so we can see what's in the front, just in the front of this. Right, I have removed these 2 screws and this clip and another screw right there. So those 3 parts are removed. Now we will pull it out. As you see, there's a sponge here. We'll pull that back. Now I'm going to the front of the back seat to show you where the problem is. Okay, I'm pulling just the corner area. You can pull it, it's flexible, to see where the problem is. Okay, the problem is right here. You see that black piece, plastic piece, moved off the clip. Look carefully. I'm trying to hold this camera so you can see easily. We have to put this clip back in there. So it's now in there, as you can see. The problem is when the car vibrates, this may come out again. This part may come out. So it's best to actually fix it there, and that'll be up to you how to fix it. You can use strong hot glue or a clip so it doesn't move back. So if that comes out, it's gonna do the same. You're gonna have the same problem. So make sure this stays in there. So I'll show you one more time where the problem is and how to fix it right there. So it's the backrest, as you see, right behind this area. Just this corner area, we'll pull it towards us, which is flexible. It's not going to get hurt. I'll show you with the lights on. Hold on. There you go. This is the clip that came out right from there. That two wires go in that black piece. That black piece came out. That was the problem. So once you put that in this house, it'll work, but it may come out again when the car bounces and stuff, or somebody is sitting here. So we have to fix it so it doesn't move out of there again. So I drilled 2 holes to put a fastener there. A zip tie is a good way to fasten the 2 strings plastic part so it doesn't come out again. Now, as you can see, put 2, actually 3 holes to make it even stronger. So you can see the 3 holes that I just put there. I'm going to put the zip tie and tie the part that the 2 strings go in the black plastic. I'll tie that there so it doesn't come out again. So now I'll show you where the zip tie comes out from the back of the 3rd row seat. As you'll see here, this is where the zip tie is coming out, and then I'll put it back from the left hole back in and to tie the piece so it never comes out again. Here it is. This is the zip tie. Now went through, as you can see here. Now I'm going to put the zip tie together and tie it in. The zip tie is done and it's tight. Show you one last time how I did it. As you can see, with the nice bright sun, how the zip tie actually goes through from the back to here. Basically it's like stitching with the zip tie. It's nice and tight. Actually, I didn't need the 3rd hole, so I did it through the 2 holes. And I'll just cut this extra part, and that'll be it. It'll never come back again because it's very nicely tight. Right? That's pretty much the whole piece. Now I'm going to close everything back after I cut the extra piece, and that'll be it. And then it will be working just fine. So I just wanted to show you how it looks from the back of the 3rd row chair, the zip tie. I had that extra hole, but I don't need it, so it looks just like that. As you can see, it's nice and tight, and I used a pretty strong zip tie. It's not bothering anybody there. Now I put my screws back and the clip back. One, the clip, and the 2 other hand pushed screws, the fasteners. So the back is now all done, and as you see, I'll demonstrate, and I'll just pull it and it'll come back, or I can pull it, it'll go forward and backward, as you can see, and then when I leave it, it'll lock. That's it. It's nice and tight, and it's not going to come out again because it's nicely zip tied right there. Now we'll put the cover back in, all with the clips back in places, and this is it for our 2021 Sienna 3rd row C backrest. Stock problem is solved permanently. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you to solve the problem the same way. Take care.